Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy. I moved to Ireland with my Irish husband and 4 kids 7 years ago, and we have been living in this house for just over 4 years. Today I'm going to show you my YOOSK haul, so let's get started. I have a huge bag. So the first thing out of here is this candle holder. Isn't it gorgeous? When I saw this, I knew I had to have it. Little lamp, table lamp. Okay, now some cushions, candle for my candle holder. Okay. Love this vase. And of course, I didn't get an empty vase. Well, I did get an empty vase, but I got a few of these flowers. Oh, I thought I got 3 of these, but I actually only got 2. So maybe that's all I needed for that little vase. So we'll see. More stems, and they're gorgeous. These were only €1 each, so, or maybe €2. €2 because they were 10 for the whole lot. So €2 each. I got 5. Love that. Another cushion. Can't have enough. Oh, love this. This is a wool mixed throw. I love the colour. Decorative tray. And a lamp. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take these off because they've just, there. Okay. I just love the colour of this throw. When I add colour to my house, I usually just, I don't add too much because I let outside be the pop of colour. But as you can see today, there's not much going on outside because there's actually a storm here in Ireland at the moment. Okay, so I'm just going to move some of this, right? I'm not sure. I think I'm going to take this away. Actually, do you know what? I actually quite like this cushion here. Does not look good here. It's just what I had before. It's a more coziness. Okay, so now it's for my absolute favorite piece, the marble pedestal. how am I supposed to get this out of the box? Oh, I got there. Right. Okay. Ready. Isn't she absolutely gorgeous? I am going to move this out. This is going to go in this corner. Okay, so I also got this from YOOSK. Now I'm going to add some colour here to contrast with the curtains. I used these last year in one of the pots that you see in my fireplace. Okay, now I'm going to put, just to add a little bit more colour in here because it looks a little bit too beige. I might put this here. Let's see how that looks now. I think that looks really nice. I added an extra pillow behind the floral one, just a little bit extra. I think it looks nicer. And here you see this is our living room before and what it looks like after my YOOSK haul. Okay, so this was on the coffee table, but I decided to take it off and change it because I didn't really like the look of it. So my girls were just here having some food, so there's a bit of crumbs, but anyway, I'm just going to move this stuff over because I'm going to put my table runner. This is from Sophie Allpot. The Olive Collection. Epic fail. Anyway, so this kind of softens out the look of the table because it's all wood and it's quite big. It's kind of like, you know, some people would say it's a glorified picnic table because it has two benches. So I never really looked at it that way. But yeah, each to their own. Everyone has their own opinion. So I'm going to put this here in the middle because I just break up the round because there's going to be two round trays here. So I think that would be lovely. I might move this over. This is also from YOOSK. I have a lot of things from YOOSK actually because I've worked with them quite a few times over the last few years on Instagram, and they've asked me to collab with them again for the recent campaign, so why not? I do love their stuff. So so I just move some of this over here. What else can I add? I could probably take some of this pumpkins. Whoops! I got these from, this is my favorite thing ever. I got this at the charity shop for €3. €3. My favorite find. I love it so much. Okay, and I usually if I have the time, I love to go into charity shops just to look for home decor stuff, and yeah, that was one of the things I found and I absolutely loved it. Anyway, so these pumpkins, they came in a bag from Carrick Dunn. I got them last year or the year before. I don't know, what do you think? Just a little arrangement. I really feel like this table has it's a bit flat. I cut these off my hydrangea plant and put them there, but they've lost a little bit of colour, so I kind of want to take them away to add a bit more volume. So I thought I got this from my mother-in-law's house. I love it. These flowers here that I showed you earlier, just a little, just simple. Add a bit of height, a little bit of colour. I really like it. Here's a little look at what the space looks like in the early hours of the morning. I like to get up before the kids because I like to have my coffee and turn on my lamps, as you can see. And yes, I am in my Christmas pajamas, and I have absolutely no shame in having it on in October. And that is all for my YOOSK haul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tell me in the comments which items or item you liked best, and I will see you next time.